Welcome back, Hornets. It's a beautiful Thursday here at VCHS. We're your host, Annalou.
And I'm Kelly. Let's start out with today's lunch. Today for lunch we will be having crispy chicken sandwiches, baked beans, lettuce, tomato, cucumbers, apples, and as always, a cold milk.
Now let's jump into today's celebrations with these holidays.
And now a rundown of your top 5 news stories.
Hello, I'm Brecken, and here's today's top 5 news stories. Students' lunch debt has soared to nearly $200+ million nationwide. For the first time in 32 years, O Canada is performed at the World Series. Cheesecake Factory is coming to Wichita at Bradley Fair. Burton School District cancels basketball season due to low numbers. Nvidia becomes the first company to be worth over $5 trillion.
Next, here's today's word and quote of the day.
Tutelage. Protection of or authority over someone or something. Guardianship.
I find the harder I work, the more luck I seem to have. Thomas Jefferson.
With Election Day this week and the award show nominations beginning, let's hear about what a famous person you would like to meet.
Hi, I'm Cardin Dang, and my favorite one famous person that I want to meet is Juice WRLD.
Okay, Katie Green and Lady Gaga. I'm Bethany Smith, and
my name's Javier, and I would want to meet Jesus.
Coco and meet the Pope.
Okay, Sadie Tripp and Bruno Mars.
If I could be a famous person, I would be the one, the only, Gavin Cavella.
Speaking of favorites, let's check in with our Hornets to see their favorite school activities.
My name's Cora, and I like doing color guard in marching band.
My name's Aubrielle, and I like going to football games and doing band.
My name's Alex, and what I like to do at school is I like to be at the Spanish club and go to the soccer games.
My favorite after school activity is sports.
As we continue to enjoy the pleasant fall temperatures, let's take a look at today's weather.
Hello, I'm Jalen Morse, and here's today's weather. Today, we will have a high of 71 degrees with mostly sunny skies and winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Tonight, we'll have a low of 47 degrees with mostly clear skies and winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour.
Now it's time for a quick blast to the past. We leave you with this day in history.
Stay classy, VC.
November 6th, 1860. Abraham Lincoln, a former Illinois congressman who opposes slavery, wins a 4-way race for president. After his victory, southern states begin to secede from the Union. The American Civil War breaks out the following year. 1854. John Philip Sousa, the king of American march music, is born in Washington, D.C. 1893. Composer Peter Ilyich Tchaikovsky dies in St. Petersburg, Russia. He was 53 years old. And 1931, movie and stage director Mike Nichols is born in Berlin. Among his films, The Graduate, Catch-22, Who's Afraid of Virginia Woolf, and The Birdcage. Among his Broadway shows, The Odd Couple, and Monty Python's Spamalot. Today in history, November 6th. Tim McGuire, The Associated Press.